Hasn't changed a whole lot in terms of the projected path for Hurricane Florence. The wind speeds have been diminished just slightly, 105-mile-an-hour sustained winds right now. And of course, this gets revised as the NOAA hurricane hunters fly into the storm and they continue to sample data from within Hurricane Florence. Do not envy that ride. Here's where the storm is right now. Some of the heaviest rain bands are now just approaching the coast. So our crews in Wilmington are about to get very wet because this is the first substantial rain with Hurricane Florence. Some of these lighter rain bands are going to move into central North Carolina as we head into the afternoon. The more substantial rain, it's going to take a little while longer to even move into our counties along the coastal plain. So here's the latest forecast path. Category 2 hurricane right now. It's going to continue moving to the northwest, then turn straight to the west and make landfall right around Wilmington. Still is a Category 2 storm with 100-mile-an-hour winds. That's expected to be around 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. So from where it is right now to where it's going to be almost 24 hours from now is not a great distance, and it's going to continue slowing down as it makes its way farther inland. It's going to weaken. That's what storms do when they make landfall to a tropical storm by early Saturday morning. I think it'll probably happen even a little bit faster than that, the way that things have been trending. But it doesn't matter what the wind speeds are because the flooding potential is what we're most concerned about here. This location of the forecast path, there's still time for it to change. The storm still could take more of a hard left. We'll hope that happens because that would help to drag the pattern of greatest impacts a little bit farther south within central North Carolina. Here's a look at the rainfall impact. This is the estimate from the Weather Prediction Center. They work in conjunction with the National Hurricane Center. So the forecast path and this rainfall pattern go hand in hand. And this is what they're estimating right now. They're saying 6 to 10 inches of rain in all of these orange shaded areas. And there are a few different shades of orange. This one that does include downtown Raleigh and most of Wake County and down into Johnston County. That's a lot of rain. That's why the flash flood watch has been expanded to include areas along and south of Raleigh, which obviously included the Sandhills and the coastal plain already. But now Wake County is included. Durham and Orange counties are not included within that flash flood watch. So we're still kind of on the razor's edge in terms of the heaviest rainfall amounts. But farther south you go, there's just really very little chance that you're going to be able to dodge significant, if not devastating impacts from 10 to 15, even 20 inches of rain as you head into southern Sampson County. The wind impact is going to be greater as you head farther south and east as well. Here is that flash flood watch. All the green shaded counties, so anywhere from Chatham County to Wake County into Franklin County, Nash County, and Edgecombe County. Everything south of that is included at this flash flood watch. Does it mean that we are locked in to a guarantee of significant flash flooding problems in all these counties? It doesn't. If the storm path does go a little bit farther south, then so would all the rainfall accumulation. But the farther south you go, it reaches 100% certainty that you're going to have significant high water issues for the Sandhills and the southern coastal plain in particular. We'll come back and talk about the wind potential with this storm and how that is evolving coming up in just a few minutes.
All right. Thank you, Paul. We'll speak